Let's introduce you to the smarter, more powerful ComMarker B6. B6 features an intelligent autofocus system. Just touch the screen and the B6 will automatically adjust for you. B6 comes in two power, 30 watt and 60 watt, meeting the demanding requirements for 3D metal engraving. B6 effortlessly handles various spherical and curved products. No shape limited. Just add the rotary attachment. We believe that time is money. With higher engraving power, faster speeds, and improved stability, making your ideas vibrant and colorful. The B6 excels at it all. Features like automatic serialization, operation modes catered to industrial needs, making the B6 stand out with higher engraving power, faster speeds, increased precision, and improved stability. The B6 leads the way, from engraving to cutting, from everyday life to industrial applications. Large working area to meet more creative needs. Continuing our commitment to providing smaller, more powerful, and smarter industrial-grade laser engraving machines, responding to our users' demands for higher power upgrades. B6 sets a new standard for fiber laser engraving machines. ComMarker. B6, make your creativity become reality.
ComMarker. Focus on commercial laser markers.